Hello everyone. I am Hiral Bajareja, student of Department of English Maharaja Krishna Kumar Singh Ji Bhavnagar University. We are celebrated Virtual Teachers Day, and I am going to make a video on the Flea metaphysical poem by John Donne. I am start uh, the presentation of the Flea as a metaphysical poem. The table content of first of all introduction. Second is what is the metaphysical poetry. Third is the characteristics. Fourth, overview of poem. Fifth, the flea as a metaphysical poem. Sixth, structure and form. And seventh is a conclusion. Introduction. The flea is a witty love lyric in which he uses the image of a flea to argue about love, physical union, and desire. And by blending scared and profane imagery with logical persuasion, the poem becomes a perfect example of the metaphysical tradition. Uh, John Donne was a founder of metaphysical poetry, is celebrated for his wit, intellectual style, and striking conceit. He was born in London and studied Oxford and Cambridge, but could not take a degree because his Catholic faith. He later converted Anglicanism and eventually became a dean of St. Paul's Cathedral, where his sermons gained as much fame as his poetry. Dunn's works often explores theme of love, religion, morality, and human experience with a unique blend of passion and reasoning. Second is what is a metaphysical poetry? Metaphysical poetry is a type of poetry which explores the ideas of abstract elements with contradiction in poet's ideology. Meta means beyond. So the poetry which describes the elements of beyond physicalness. A metaphysical poem is a type of poetry that explores deep abstract ideas like love, life, death, time, and God using intellectual reasoning, wit, and unusual comparisons called conceit. I am giving one example. Our friendship is like a Wi Fi. You cannot see it, but you always feel its connection. This is similar to metaphysical conceit because it compares an invisible abstract this with something ordinary to make the idea clear and witty. Characteristics of metaphysical poetry. First is intellectualized, second is strange imagery, third is a use of frequent paradox, fourth extremely complicated. Uh, First characteristics is highly intellectualized. Metaphysical poetry is not only about expressing emotion, but also about using intelligence, logic, and reasoning. The poets wanted to show that love, religion, and life can be explained with smart arguments. I am giving one example. Instead of only saying, I miss you, John Donne compares two lovers to the two legs of a compass in a valediction forbidding morning. This is not just emotional but also intellectual. Second is a strange imagery. The poets used unusual and surprising comparisons to explain their ideas. This image often feels strange at first but become meaningful when explained. Example of in the flea, Don Dunn compares a flea sucking blood to physical union between lovers. This is not a normal comparison, but it helps him argue in a clever way. Third is the use of frequent paradox. A paradox means when two opposite ideas are put together to make a deeper point. Metaphysical poets loved to use a paradox to show how complicated life and love can be. Example is in The Flea. Dunn says, killing the flea is like killing their love. This sounds silly, but also has a truth in it that something so small can represent something so big. Uh, Fourth characteristics, extremely complicated. The poetry is not simple. It combines difficult ideas, wit, and unusual images. Sometimes it feels complicated, but when understood, it gives a very deep meaning. Example is the compass image in Dunn's poem books, difficult at first, but it beautifully shows how love keeps two people connected even when they are far apart. Overview of the poem. John Donne's The Flea is a witty love poem where a flea is used as a clever comparison. The poet argues that since the flea has already mixed their blood, physical union would be harmless. When the lady kills the flea, he twists the idea, saying her honor would not be hurt anymore than the insect death. This playful logic and unusual imagery make it a fine example of metaphysical poem. Uh, the next part is The Flea as a metaphysical poem. Love and physical desire. In the poem, the flea becomes a symbol since the flea has sucked blood from both the man and the woman. Their blood is now mixed inside it. This is compared to the union of lovers showing love and physical closeness in a unique way. Second is persuasion and wit. The speaker does not just express feeling, but tries to convince his beloved with logical arguments. He uses smart reasoning to pursue her, showing wit and cleverness. Third is religion and morality. The flea is compared to a marriage temple, meaning it is treated as a something scared. The poet mixed religious image with sensual arguments, combining two opposite ideas to make his point stronger. The next part is the structure and form the flea. The poem has three stanza with nine lines each. It is written like a dramatic speech where the speaker is trying to pursue his beloved. The rhyme scheme is AABBCCDDD, mix of iambic tetrameter and pentameter. Consider flea as a symbol of union paradox, travel, insect, and scare bond. Progression. The stanza 1, playful persuasion. The speaker tries to convince her in a light hormones way. Stanza 2, religion and moral justification. He makes the flea seem holy like a temple. And stanza 3, witty reversal after flea's death. And conclusion, The Flea is a classic metaphysical poem that uses a clever and unusual metaphor to explore theme of love and physical intimacy. John Donne combines wit, reason, and emotion to challenge the traditional ideas about relationship, turning a simple flea into a symbol of union. The poem's imaginative conceit and intellectual playfulness are hallmarks of metaphysical poetry. And thank you, everyone, to